Succulents are quite popular because they're relatively easy to care for, but they still need some attention to thrive. Here are some tips for planting and caring for succulents. Choose the right soil. Succulents need well-draining soil. You can either buy a special succulent/cactus mix or create your own by mixing regular potting soil with perlite or coarse sand. Select the right container. Make sure your container has drainage holes to prevent water from pooling at the bottom, which can cause root rot. Terracotta pots are a good choice because they allow for air exchange. Provide adequate light. Place them near a south or east-facing window where they can get plenty of sunlight. If you're keeping them indoors, rotate them occasionally to ensure even growth. Watering. Allow the soil to dry out completely between waterings. Overwatering is the most common cause of succulent death, so it's better to underwater than overwater. During the growing season, spring and summer, water when the top inch of soil is dry. In the dormant season, fall and winter, water even less frequently. Avoid wetting the leaves. Try to water the soil directly rather than spraying or misting the leaves. Wet leaves can make the plant more susceptible to rot and fungal diseases. Temperature and humidity. Succulents generally prefer warmer temperatures, but most can tolerate cooler temperatures as well. Keep them away from drafts and extreme temperature fluctuations. They thrive in low humidity environments, so you typically don't need to worry about misting them unless you live in a very dry climate. Fertilizing. Succulents don't need to be fertilized as frequently as other plants. During the growing season, you can feed them with a diluted succulent fertilizer every month or so. Propagation. Succulents are easy to propagate from cuttings or leaves. Simply remove a healthy leaf or cutting, let it callus over for a few days, then place it in well-draining soil. Keep the soil lightly moist until new roots or pups form. Pruning. Remove any dead or yellowing leaves to promote air circulation and prevent pests and diseases. Lastly, watch for pests. While succulents are relatively pest-resistant, they can sometimes attract mealybugs, aphids, or spider mites. Inspect your plants regularly for signs of pests and treat them promptly if you notice any. Well, friends, thanks again for watching. Please be sure to subscribe and hit that like button. Take care and God bless.